Russia has become the first country in the world to approve a COVID-19 vaccine, even though phase 3 trials are still underway. That's raised questions about the legitimacy of the trials and the safety of the vaccine. Julia Chapman reports from Moscow.
In the face of a global pandemic, vaccine developers are working faster than usual, but none have worked quite as fast as those in Russia. This is Sputnik V, the world's first registered coronavirus vaccine. Yulia Ivanova has volunteered for the final phase of its clinical trials.
Я хочу иметь возможность спокойно работать, ничего не опасаясь, и не заразить своих близких и родственников. Поэтому для успокоения, чтобы не заболеть, я хочу вакцинироваться. И чем быстрее, тем лучше.
The vaccine was licensed by Russian regulators before phase 3 had even begun. That hasn't deterred Yulia's whole family from signing up.
Сомнений у нас никаких не было. И вообще все это либо чьи-то инсинуации по поводу всяких побочных явлений. Даже если будут какие-то негативные явления, это ерунда по сравнению с самим заболеванием. И все нормальные люди это понимают. Не понимают только, возможно, люди с психическими отклонениями. Это очевидно, как 2 × 2 – 4.
40,000 volunteers are expected to participate in phase 3. A quarter of those will receive a placebo.
The developers of Sputnik V say it produces antibodies against coronavirus without any major side effects. Early data has now been published in the Lancet Medical Journal, an important milestone for the vaccine's legitimacy. But a group of international scientists has cast doubt on the results.
They say certain patterns suggest possible data manipulation. But the institute behind the vaccine says coincidences can be explained by the small pool of volunteers. Only 76 people took part in phases 1 and 2, and not all of them received the full dose. Now that phase 3 is underway, there are more concerns about the validity of the trials.
Because vaccine is already approved, it will be difficult for the people who manage the current trial to get a negative result. It will be not only the failure of the development and business, it will be the political failure, because it is a Russian Sputnik which must not fail.
Although some are enthusiastic about getting inoculated, others are more cautious. According to one poll, vaccine skepticism is growing in Russia. There are fears that rushing the process could reduce trust in the very idea of vaccination. Without that confidence, health officials say beating COVID-19 is a distant prospect. Julia Chapman, CNA, Moscow.